what's up? We're back. Look at this car's all done. It's for sale now. We're staying next to the Batmobile. I guess we'll be starting it at the end of this month. Today, I'm gonna be working on probably this truck, maybe some customer cars, and see how the rest of the day goes.
Malibu coming in, the Jetta that's out there coming in. This one getting done today. What you bringing in?
I think I'm gonna do the differential on my truck. Yeah, the fuel's leaking.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna put new fuel. I'm gonna call.
What you mean new different?
I'm gonna put new steel. I'm gonna call.
He knows he needs spark plugs, wires. He's gonna change his distributor eventually, but it got low mileage, so and then he got to give it a good cleaning. So everything looked like that when I got it in my hands. Now look at it now. Look, brand new. You can see it work.
Oh yeah. What?
Put it.
I need to put more coolant in too.
Area, fill tires.
How you doing today?
Cleaning, because none of y'all motherfuckers walk all over it.
Tell us how you really feel.
Izzy's busy. Then that shit rhymes, right? Izzy's busy.
There you go. I'm the salt.
You and Alex
got the salt though.
You know how I feel? Right? I feel beautiful.
You feel beautiful? God bless you, Chunky.
Amen to that. God bless you too. At least you mentioned something. Good thing.
Yo, Alex, Chunky is feeling beautiful today.
Oh yeah, he's looking beautiful today.
1001, 1002, 1003, 14, 1005.
That was only 1% of my max power.
Hey, Chunky, what you up to?
I'm up to a whole bunch of shit. You see this right here? Best you could buy. I'm talking about this.
Yo, what you up to?
Gotta get way in there. Work! You think?
Some 21 Pilots, huh?
Oh yes. Saying wake up, we need to make money.
I need a. Well, first I need to quote it and see how much it is, and then I'm probably gonna order it right after. I need the spark plugs.
What are you doing, Alex?
Yeah, putting a little bit of coolant in the car.
Life.
Take Bryce's bike.
Wait.
Looks better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks straight.
Not today.
So today, I'll be taking my actuator apart in the Ram to try and fix the heat. But I'm just gonna like jam it forward and fix the heat. I just think it looks gas right.
Oh my god. Yeah, if that was it, I'm gonna be like Rick.
What? What?
My man came and just went like this. Bam, 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 bam. And all then put it down. That's something.
Yeah, I went like this. I just said clack, clack, clack.
Y'all snapped in.
The fucking coil. I went like this. Clack, clack, clack. Look, if that one just still went in. He did coil, spark plugs. He was thinking about doing injectors. Can you scan it? You got the scanner?
What is it? What are the codes, Izzy?
Huh, what are the codes? This shit, this car runs like a bag of shit.
Oh, so it needs a full tune-up?
It needs a whole new engine, bro.
Needs a new engine, so why you're on the code?
Just to tell him it needs an engine.
Oh, okay. Welcome back. Here at Authentic, we're scanning codes.
This is a 08?
Oh, wow.
Oh my god. Wow.
20 codes.
Stressful today, man. So by 10, 11 o'clock, I must have had like 50 phone calls.
What'd you do today?
So brake line on the 1500, my buddy over there. Chevy Cavalier, Honda Pilot. Steering gear right, that was a bitch too. I got the Volkswagen in, and then they bring me another car. I'm not doing it. Tomorrow's another day. I'm tired.
Sounds like you accomplished a lot.
Huh, busy Monday. Oh boy, but it's good though. It's a good feeling. I'd rather have a lot than have none. So,
Oh yeah.
thank you everyone.
No, no te vayas, come here. I want you to
Leg hurt.
I know your leg hurt. You want me to rub it? What kind of car is this? Toyota Scion. That's like 50 cents for the bear.
No le digas eso a este cabrón, se cobra que cabrón. No tengo luz, cabrón.
No, but I mean, it's like little common cars.